Veggies for sale, fresh from the market.
Wine, fresh from the vineyard. Get your finest amphora here.
People of Rome, lend me your ears. For too long we have suffered under the yoke of tyranny.
Fresh figs here, best in Rome. Get your olives, finest in the city.
Every morning, the same feeling. From the peace of my home to the chaos of Rome, the heart of the world. In this vast machine, I too have a part to play. The Forum is where the day truly begins. The baths. Here we wash away more than the dust of the day. We cleanse the soul. Once the togas are shed, the senator and the merchant are one and the same, simply Roman.
This vintage, my friend, tells a story of the sun-drenched hills where these grapes were grown.
The day's roar fades. Within these walls, under the watch of the gods, I find peace. Tomorrow, Rome awakens, and so do we.